Hi guys, I hope everyone has got a fantastic break and wishing everyone a happy 2023. This is an amazing listing I've got in Madeley. 4 big bedrooms, it's a big home with a theatre, and the backyard is stunning with a gorgeous pool. You've got to come and check this out. Follow me through. You see, it's a nice one, right? So if you're in the market for the right home, please come and check this out, and I look forward to seeing you at one of the home opens soon.